Hi, my name is Dorothy. This is Hacker Hint. Welcome back. Today we're going to make a graham cracker s'more bar. So let's get baking. So the first thing we're going to do is going to make the crust. So the crust contains 1 block of graham crackers. So it makes about a little over a cup, and then we need 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. So we're going to mix this all together. Press it into an 8.5 square pan. And then we're going to press, and if you have gloves on, you can use gloves, but I'm going. So the graham cracker crumb is out of the oven. So now you layer your Hershey's chocolate onto the crust. So it takes about 4 bars of chocolate. And then we're going to put this back in the oven for about a minute. So I've taken the bars out of the oven. You can see that the chocolate is nice and shiny. And the last step is that we're going to put some mini marshmallows over the top of this. And this is probably half a bag or so. And then last step is we're going to put this under the broiler for about 2 minutes so the marshmallows get golden brown. So here's the finished product, your s'mores bars. However, I just saw on the package of the Hershey's chocolate, another way to make s'mores at home is you stack them in the oven on a cookie sheet, so you can make individual s'mores on a cookie sheet. You just put the marshmallows, chocolate, and you put it in the oven for 350 until the marshmallows begin to melt, and then you cover it with the remaining graham cracker when it comes out of the oven. So let's do it. Okay, you can see that the marshmallows are now much fuller. So we're just going to put the tops on. Ooh, it looks good. So I hope these recipes are helpful if you can't have s'mores by the campfire. Well, please like and subscribe, and tell me which recipe you would choose. Would you do the individual s'mores or would you do the bar s'mores? Which one would you be more likely to do? Unless, of course, you're doing it over a campfire, which is the proper way to do it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Hope to see you soon.